Our regular Saturday gardener, Carol, is taking a little bit of a Thanksgiving break, but Dimitri Fuller joins us right now with a look at evergreens. All kinds, all shapes. You know, you think of them as the sort of classic Christmas tree type, but look at this, just beautiful.
I really enjoy working with these plants, Laura, and showing people the forms, the colors, and the textures that are available. I mean, it's everything imaginable.
And look at what you're holding. Let me hold one up, you hold one up. They can be small. These are bonsais, right?
Well, these are actually just miniature
just babies?
Spruce,
okay.
And they even have pine cones.
Okay, so if you're looking for an alpine arrangement in a rock garden, boy, these would be just perfect. And you can bring them inside to decorate them for the holidays, but these are really outside plants.
They certainly are. They need their dormancy, they need their 4 seasons. They get their best color in this cold snap.
Oh, okay. Speaking of color, you say evergreen and you think green, right? Look at this. I thought it was dead, quite frankly.
I know it.
But it's not, it's a yew, right?
It is. It's a variegated yew, which is usually green and yellow, but now it gets pink and purple tones, and it will have its regular berries.
Okay.
This little ball of yarn here will end up turning plum.
Oh, really?
But then they green right back up in the spring.
Okay.
As well as the hemlock is almost pure white in the winter.
So there are lots of possibilities is the bottom line. And you know, when you prune these, you also bring the branches inside for great fragrance.
Oh, yeah, that's what the Watsons do. It is wonderful.
Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much for having me, Laura.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And same to you.
And if you're looking for decorations for your garden or more, Carol Watson Greenhouse is the place in Lafayette. You can call them and check their website as well.